Hello Bangalore. Who said superstars have to be grown up? Welcome to the very first episode of Next Gen Superstar Show, the ultimate talent hunt for kids aged 3 to 7. Parents, the response has been incredible. You didn't have to leave your house, wait in lines, or stress out. You just recorded your little stars right from the comfort of your own home and sent them our way. Today, we are starting things off with our first 5 amazing contestants. Get ready for some serious cuteness and massive talent. Let's take a look. How adorable was that little child selling vegetables? How cute was that? Tell me about it. Did you see the performance? How energetic it was? Oh my god, the voice was mind-blowing. Did you look at our little hero dancing? Oh my goodness, how absolutely incredible were they? A massive round of applause for the first 5 superstars. They truly showed us what small voices and big dreams are all about. Remember, every single child who participates gets a participation certificate, and we have some amazing super surprise gifts waiting for our winners. Think your child has what it takes to be featured in the next episode? It is so easy for you to join. Just grab your phone, record a quick video of your child either singing, dancing, acting, dressing up, and WhatsApp it to straight us at 7090720020. You can also scan the QR code right there on the screen and register instantly. Don't wait, let's let those big dreams shine. See you soon in the next episode.